And I'm so passionate about this because emailing is really like the key. A good email is like the key to getting recruited, I swear. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jacoby. Excuse my voice right now. I am sick and I have strep and I'm at home. So I'm really supposed to be roasting, but I'm bored. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys how to email college coaches. It's getting about that time, summertime, when you should be emailing coaches, especially if you're a junior or senior in high school. So let's get to it. And if you're not a senior or a junior in high school and you're just, I don't know, middle school age, high school age, or you're already in college, good for you. But say you want to transfer, I got you. So step one, you need to create a template. It will make your life so much easier, like 10 million times easier. And I will be creating an email template on my little Shopify that I sell some of my digital products on, and some of those products are like checklists for what you need to get recruited or checklists for gear, and I think I sold them for like $1.50, something like that. So you want to get the template, let me know and check it out on my Shopify. The link is in my bio. And basically what a template is like not a fill in the blank email, because you want the email to be personal to that coach and to that school, but it's easier to have a template, so that way it's like more efficient, time efficient really. So actually I should get the step zero. Okay, step zero is having a list of schools that you want to go to. That is essential to have because you need clarity on where you want to go and why. Okay, don't just pick a school because it's like, oh, they have a good volleyball team. No, because you will be sadly surprised when like school is not going your way or like they don't have your major. Like you gotta really think about what you want to major in, how much it costs, is it out of state, is it in state? Like you gotta consider a lot of other things minus volleyball. Okay, and then step two was obviously an email template. Step three, you need a highlight video, okay? And like if you don't have tape on yourself, you need to get some. And how you can do that, you can film yourself practicing, you can film a skills video if you don't have any game video, and that a skills video is essentially like you filming yourself doing all the skills. So you have a clip of you or a segment of you hitting, serving, blocking, passing, defense, all that good stuff. You need that. And if you have game film, even better. Because some coaches will ask you, like in my personal experience, they ask me for unedited game film so they can really see how you play without like just seeing the highlights of you. They want to see you like actually play like for real. So have that ready. And then also you can make a highlight tape out of that game film, you know, like, and how you make a highlight video is like you just highlight your strengths. So when I made my own highlight video, and I was lucky enough to be able to make my own highlight video, and my sister made my highlight video for the first time around, I believe, because she's like a film major and she got her degree in film. So she edited my stuff, and like my strengths are hitting and blocking. Yeah, just highlight your strengths. Like if you're a really good defender, show some awesome clips of you getting great saves, or if you're a great server, show some aces, you know? Like really highlight yourself and play to your strengths. That is freaking key. Next important thing, please know your stats. And I don't mean like your volleyball stats, like your hitting percentage or any of that stuff. I'm talking about your height, your weight, your, what's it called? Oh yeah, your vertical, like stuff like that. You need to know that stuff because they're gonna ask you, okay? And also, that looks really good in a subject line. So that's like I forgot what number we're on, but that's the next step, is having a interesting and clickable subject line. Because think about it, when you send someone an email, they're not gonna immediately see the body of the email with all the information in it, right? They're gonna see the subject line and that's it, like that's first impression. So you wanna grab them, suck them in, okay? And that's how you're gonna catch someone's attention. So for example, when I was transferring from my Division I school to NAIA school, my literal subject line was like D1 transfer, and then I put my position, outside hitter, middle blocker, 5'11", 10, what's it called? Like 10 whatever vertical. Now that was my subject line, and guess what? I got recruited. You like wanna market yourself, you wanna make yourself not exciting, but you wanna make yourself desirable. Yeah, that's a good word. You just gotta like know how to word things that will trigger people to be like, let me take a look at this girl. Next, you wanna have like a recruiting email, because let me tell you, I had a recruiting email, but I was like kind of like not disciplined with it. I was like, ooh, like let me sign up for, I don't know, like oh, American Eagle's having a sale, let me put my email in, like stuff like that. So like it would get all jumbled up in my email inbox. But if you have a dedicated email address for your recruiting purposes, you will not miss an email because it will just all be in one place. And I suggest having like a clear, concise name like Jacoby Volleyball at gmail.com. And use Gmail, y'all. Like Yahoo's like, but like I use Gmail. And the last step is just to have an open mind when it comes to recruiting, because you might think that you want one thing and then one thing gets presented to you and you're like, wait, I like that. And also, if you, upon like the coach responding, and keep in mind, you won't always get a response, and that's totally okay. Like, some coaches will just not respond to you, or they'll respond to you and like be like, sorry, like we filled all those positions for X year or this upcoming season. So it's like, that's okay. Like, keep moving, keep pushing. It's not a negative thing. It's just like not the right thing. So that being said, like, you never know what you might actually like. Like, for example, at Southern Miss, like, I wanted to play indoor volleyball. Cause like that, obviously, like I was an indoor player. But then they're like, yeah, like, do you wanna play beach? And I was like, huh? What? So like, you never know like what they're gonna offer you. And also know your value, but also like, don't turn down like a good opportunity if it really fits you. Okay? Okay. And then I could also go into like scholarships and walk-ons, but that might have to be a separate video because girl, I could go on for ages about that. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Don't mind my voice. So sorry. I love you guys so much. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.